I'm starting off SEMA 2013 with a bang. I was invited to drive a number of supercars around Las Vegas, and of course I accepted that offer. Got to drive two different Lamborghinis, a Lotus, a Porsche Carerra S, and a Aston Martin DB7. So a number of really cool cars. Got to learn a lot about these cars, and these are cars that a lot of people fantasize about. Some people never get to see in person or touch or sit in and let alone drive. So I do feel really fortunate that I was able to do this. I had a lot of fun, drove the cars pretty hard, and didn't get a ticket or crash any, so I'm very happy about that. Can't wait to see what else happens this week at SEMA, but even if nothing else exciting happens, I've already had a great time.